with another. And you know what it is, man. As you can see by the title, I will be doing a thumbnail tutorial, man. I have got this requested plenty of times from my supporters around me, man. We just hit 1.3K on the road to 1.4K. So if you're new to the channel, and your sub button is red, make it light red, not dark red, you feel me? Hit that sub button, hit the like button, and let's get into this thumbnail tutorial. It's gonna be really quick. It's not much that I do during these thumbnails. I try to take my time and perfect it, but for this, it's just gonna show the steps on what I do. And if you wanna use my strat, you can go in there and perfect it when you make your thumbnails. So I'm gonna be screen recording in 3, 2, 1, boom. It should be on the screen right now. It should be screen recording, but I'm gonna go to PixArt, press the plus. Okay, as you can see, my picture should be right there. You feel me? So first I go to cutout, and it does that, and I press person. So once I press person, it automatically fills me. And if it's like little specks, let me see. If it's little specks that you see still brown, you can still see my skin. I just go in and I trace over it, and I just trace over it, you feel me? And fill it in more, get it more darker so it can be perfect. Like I said, I'm not gonna make this as perfect as I would during like a thumbnail, a real thumbnail for my video. Like the thumbnail that's on this, I'm gonna try to perfect it before I upload. So I'm gonna do that. You see how my tips, you can still see the little light tips. You just go slow around it. And if you're close enough, you feel me, it won't do this. If you're close enough to the camera, it won't take out the little, feel me? I mean, leave out the little spots. But as you get and you press save. So there's that, and then I go over to fit, and I go to ratio, and I swipe over to YouTube, so it's already on YouTube. And as you can see, the background, you see how this is like right there. You can press the erase button and make that more white, so it can be like out. You see how that's in the background. You don't want your picture in the background. You want to, you know. But like I said, I'm not gonna make this perfect, and then you press that. Okay, so you see how that is right there. Then I will go to background or image, and as you see, it's a sky behind me. Nighttime, boom. But you can also go to Safari, get a background yourself, you know, and put that background. You see where it says background, you can press the little arrow, boom. Not gonna go to that, but image, I'm gonna choose one of these images. Let me see which ones will look the best with this. I'm gonna choose the night sky with the stars. So I do that, and let me see, they don't even have a shadow button, but I do that, and I press apply. Then after I do that, I go down to FX, press FX, HDR. I make sure it looks perfect like that. Let me see if I'm still screen recording. Okay, I'm still screen recording. And then I go down to colors and go to Saturn. Then I turn that down a little bit, just a little bit, just 10 minutes. And I press apply, so it applies. And then I go back to HDR, you feel me? See how I look more realer. And then that seems perfect to me. And you can also go to beauty and auto beauty it, and it'll make you look more perfect, make your skin look more good. You see how that just made my skin look caked up. But This looks like that, and I just apply it. Then I go to sticker, and I type DDG. What DDG does is brings up the recording screen, which I put on all my videos, mostly all, and it does that. And you can apply it. And let me see. Say I want to do like thinking bubble. Boom. So it pops up thinking bubble, you know. And I make that smaller and I put it on the side of my head, you know, and then I say text. Wow. I'm just saying anything, you know, just for this video. Okay, you can make that. I usually stroke it. Pause. I usually stroke it though. You feel me? And I make it like that. You can also make the color. See how it turns. Like that. And that is the thumbnail. You feel me? That should be the thumbnail. And then I just apply it. And they don't have a shadow bug, but I'm gonna stop screen recording there. Hopefully that was a good tutorial for y'all, man. That was a quick tutorial. It wasn't meant to be long at all. I just wanted to show y'all my steps on how I do it. Yes, I do it from PixArt. That sounds crazy, I know it does, but that's what I do it on, PixArt. So if y'all want a better tutorial than that, just let me know down in the comments. But if that helped y'all welcome, and I will do more videos like that if y'all want to learn from me. I know I'm kind of not as good as other people, but I'm decent. So with that being said, man, hopefully y'all like this video. Stay tuned, stay smooth, and more bangers will be on his way.